Hey, good morning. It's April Connors with Windermere, and I wanted to give you some advice on what not to do when buying a house. And buying a house can be a mix of emotions, especially if it's your first time. And here's some suggestions and tips on what not to do when you're getting ready to purchase your home. Number one, do not change jobs. Lenders do not like to see you change your job. They like a consistent history, which proves to them that you're going to remain employed and able to pay on your mortgage. If you switch to a new job in the same field, it's not usually as big of a deal, but at all costs, try to stay where you are until your loan closes. Always check in with your lender on that. Number two, do not use credit cards excessively or allow current accounts to fall behind. If you spend too much money, then how will you afford the payments? And if you don't make payments on time, how is the bank going to trust you to repay your mortgage? Number three, do not go buy a new car. This is a huge no-no for various reasons. It can drastically throw off your debt-to-income ratio and will also show on your credit inquiries on your report, and it could lower your score and possibly disqualify from a great rate or even disqualify you from financing your home. Number four, do not open any new credit card accounts when you're in the middle of your loan process. Number five, do not switch bank accounts or banking institutions. Lenders are required to source funds for your down payment, your income, and your earnest money. Changing banks makes their job a lot harder and is a huge pain in the rear, actually. If they cannot verify where your money came from, this can delay your closing significantly. Number six, do not spend savings that is designated for your down payment and your closing costs, period. No down payment, no house, no closing cost, no closing. Number seven, do not buy new furniture for your house on credit. This includes washer and dryers and refrigerators as well. Wait until you close to purchase those items. Number eight, do not make large deposits or cash deposits into your bank account without first asking your loan officer. Cash deposits during a certain time frame cannot be sourced and are not considered good funds, therefore they cannot be utilized or verifiable as a down payment. Number nine, do not be a cosigner for someone else. When you're getting a loan on your home and someone else you to cosign for them, their debt becomes your debt, and that can scare off banks during your mortgage process. So what you don't want to do is cosign on someone else's loan while you're in their own loan process. And number 10, kind of an interesting one, but do not get married during your loan application without notifying your lender of the impending marital status change and name change. It'll make life a lot easier for the people who are working on your loan docs if they know this information ahead of time. Again, I'm April Connors with Windermere Group 1. I hope you find this helpful in purchasing your home. If you have any questions, just always pop a comment to us and we'd be happy to answer them for you, and look forward to doing some more videos and helping you guys with your home buying and selling process.